Hello everyone, thank you for joining my video. Today we're going to solve an interesting exponential equation. So we need to find the value of x for which this equation is satisfied. If you'd like to try first, and then we could go over it together. So notice that 64 could be written as 4 cubed, 27 could be written as 3 cubed, 48 would be 4 squared times 3, and 36 would be 3 squared times 4. So if we substitute this, we have 4 cubed to the power of x minus 3 cubed to the power of x divided by 4 squared times 3 to the power of x minus 3 squared times 4 to the power of x, which is equal to, we can rewrite it as 4 to the x, power of 3 minus 3 to the x, power of 3 divided by, that would be 3 to the x times 4 to the power of x squared, minus 4 to the x times 3 to the x to the power of 2, right? And that's equal to 37 over 12. So now we can let, for example, m to be 4 to the power of x and n to be 3 to the power of x. So that implies we have m cubed minus n cubed over, that would be m squared minus n squared. We can factorize it, so it's m minus n into m squared plus mn plus n squared divided by, if you factorize mn, you get m minus n here, and that's equal to 37 over 12. Cancel m minus n, we get m squared plus mn plus n squared over nm is equal to 37 over 12. Now we could do cross multiplication. That means we have 12m squared plus 12mn plus 12n squared is equal to 37mn. And if we simplify that, we have 12m squared minus 25mn plus 12n squared is equal to 0. Okay, so let's try factorizing this. If you split, or if you just write 12m squared as it is, but split 25 into 16 and 9, and then copy the 12n squared, that's equal to 0. If we factorize it pairwise, we take 3 outside, 3m outside, so we have 4m minus 3n, and we expect the same factorization here. If we take minus 4n outside, that's what we get, so we have 3m minus 4n into 4m minus 3n, which is equal to 0. Okay, so that means either this is 0 or that is 0. So if we solve the first one, we have 3m is equal to 4n. But if you remember the definitions of m and n, we let m to be 4 to the power of x, so we have 3, 4 to the power of x is equal to 4n, and n was 3 to the power of x. So that implies we have 4 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x is equal to 4 over 3, which implies x is equal to 1. That's one of the solutions. And the other solution is we have 4m, well, m is that, is equal to 3n. That means we will have 4 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 over 4. If you look at it, the fraction on the right is just flipped, so we must have x is equal to -1. Okay, so we have two solutions. The first solution is x is equal to 1. The other solution is x is equal to -1. You can check, well, x is equal to 1 is quite easy to see, because if x is 1, we have 64 minus 27, which gives us 37, and 48 minus 36 is 12. And if x is -1, you'll see that, again, you get 37 over 12, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Thank you.